Hey guys, it's Rachel here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-oven microwave mug brownie. This brownie is delicious and only requires a few ingredients. You should definitely try it. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is crack an egg into my mug. You're going to want to whisk this before you add in anything else, or else it won't work. Next, I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of just regular granulated sugar. Also 1 tablespoon of plain all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I didn't have any, so I used hot chocolate powder. Now mix it all together really well with a fork, or whatever utensil you're using. Finally, we're going to add in our last ingredient, 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using sunflower oil, but you can use whatever oil you want. This will weten up the mixture. Now give it one final mix and then you're ready to put it in the microwave. Now put it in the microwave for 1:40 at 700 watts. If it's not cooked enough by the end of that, put it in for another 30 seconds. That should be enough to cook it fully. Okay, so it's been 1:30 in the microwave and it seems to be cooked pretty well. I'm sticking a cake tester in just to make sure that it's cooked on the inside. Now I'm pouring some marshmallows on top to make it look fancy. This will also give it an even sweeter flavour. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time on Rachel's Kitchen. Bye!